Hi, welcome back. I'm on MindView 7 and I'm doing some quick video tutorials on certain options within MindView. And today I want to look at PowerPoints. How you create a presentation visually, then get it into a PowerPoint so then you can do your presentation. Well, let's get straight down to it. Again, this is personal preference. You could use the template options by clicking on them. If you want to create a presentation, maybe you're doing a group presentation, why not create it visually in here and then send it to your PowerPoint and then you can add all your fancy extras in there. Let me show you. So again, you've got to choose a map if you looked at my other videos. Again, your main idea in the middle and you work clockwise. Idea from the top, work down, or idea left to right. Doesn't matter too much here because when you send it to PowerPoint, you just want it structured in order. So I'm going to select the first option. Let's make up something for a presentation, shall we? I'll just put travel as an example. Click off that. So you've got your main idea to work off. And remember, we're creating a presentation here. Select your first little branch now by double tapping the corner here, or if you prefer, you can select branch, sub-branch off a main branch, or use a shortcut key, enter, or the insert key for a sub-branch. But I like to double tap the corner because I can concentrate on what I'm doing. This is your slide 1. So let's put in Asia, for example. Click on the middle, double tap the corner. Let's put in our next option. Europe, double tap the corner again, and let's do one more. The great US of A. So there we go. Asia, Europe, and United States of America. Let's start elaborating more on that. So select Asia. If you want to break down your Asia option, double tap the corner to make, if you like, a sub-branch or sub-slide. So I want to click in there, India. Double tap the corner again to create your next one. And let's pop in there. Should we do one of the biggest, China as well? And there we go. We'll now get an outline of your slide presentation. Again, if you click on that, if you want to liven it up a bit, come to the right, you've got a pictures option. And I'm going to type in the great nation of India. Let's see what I can find for India. It's got such history. I'm going to hold the left button and drag the flag on there just as an example. Just for a bit of visual mapping. And this will be added to your slide if you want as well. So I'm going to close that so it don't distract us. So we've got Asia, India. I'm going to click on India. You might want to add information on India. Always go to the top and add a text note. And then we put information on India at the bottom. So I'm just going to find something online quick and add that. And have a quick look. So I'm just going to choose first option I see there. That will do. And I'm going to copy that and pop that into my mind map in my text note by Control-V or right click and paste. You want to change any options within that text note. You see at the top here, it changes the ribbon at the top. So again, I could highlight information specific. I might want to add colors to that. Or I tap off that, you might change the fonts. Also a good point, you can right click in here and you can even import a file. Or you might want to add an image. Come to the top here and you can add your own image that you might have downloaded as well. So I'm going to close that. So what I've done is taken travel, Asia, and that's your first slide. Then you can work on China, then go to Europe. Also, if you need to change the colors to help you remember, when you click on a branch, come to the top and select format. And then you can change the color. So I'm going to select color scheme, blue. And USA, I'm going to go to format. If you've got to find a specific color, what you could do is go to fill color, gradient color, and then you could probably add a white there. But then we could add a color scheme, couldn't we actually? So we could do a red, fill color, gradient color. We could add a bit of white there as well. It's not the perfect red, but give that feel of the star and stripes. Right, there we go. Now, I want that as a PowerPoint. This is the whole point of this quick tutorial. Top left-hand corner, File, Export. We're going to export this as a PowerPoint. Now, you can go to Quick PowerPoint Export or Custom. If I click Custom, it gives you templates that you can add. I find the options in PowerPoint are so powerful to add. It's just good to use MindView to create your idea in a visual way and then use exceptional options in PowerPoint to make it look the bee's knees. But if you want here, you can choose a template, but I'm going to leave that blank. Go to General, and you can choose what you want to export from your map. I prefer to export everything and delete stuff I don't want in PowerPoint to see how it looks. So I'm just going to select Export. Choose where I'm going to save it to. Go into my Journal folder and click Save. And I'll leave it as Travel, Open Document. And there we go. There's my first slide. If I actually hold left button, drag that to the left, open up my mind map so you can see that more easily. And there we go. So I've got my first idea, which is travel in the middle, and that's my first slide. Second slide, Asia, which gives me a category, table contents, if you like, of what's in my PowerPoint. So the third one, first option was India, text added. Then my fourth option was China, which I didn't add anything. And what I mean, so once you're in PowerPoint, then you can obviously click Insert, add your pictures, or you might want to go to transitions or any options or animation to really make it look intriguing. That's how easy it is to create a PowerPoint from MindView and export it to PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.